Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use TurboTax for tax filing, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the TurboTax website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log in to your TurboTax account. Select the type of tax return you need to file. Choose the appropriate plan based on your tax situation. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information. Provide your filing status and any dependents you have. Input your income details, including salaries, investments, and any other sources. Add deductions and credits that apply to you. TurboTax will suggest potential deductions to maximize your refund. Review all entered information for accuracy. Use the Smart Check feature to catch any errors or omissions. Proceed to the tax calculations to see your refund or amount owed. If you agree with the figures, select the filing method that suits you best. Choose between electronic filing or printing and mailing your return. If e-filing, enter your bank information for direct deposit of your refund. Complete any last steps as prompted by the software. Finally, submit your tax return after a thorough review. Save a copy of your filed return for your records. Log out of your account once you're finished to ensure your information is secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.